Convert the following. For A, we have 40,000 millimeters to meters. For B, we have 4.5 kilometers to meters. We take down solution. Question A, we have 40,000 millimeters. For us to perform this conversion, we are going to make use of the fact that 1000 millimeters is simply equal to 1 meter. Multiplying both sides of this equation by 40, we will be able to convert 40,000 millimeters to meters. The reason why we are multiplying both sides by 40 is simply because we want to obtain 40,000 millimeters at the left hand side. We take 40 times 1000 millimeters. It will be equal to 40 times 1 meter. 40 times 1000 millimeters is will give us 40,000 millimeters to be equal to 40 times 1 meter, which gives us 40 meters. Therefore, 40,000 millimeters is simply equal to 40 meters. We underline the answer. We move now to the next question. For question B, we have to convert 4.5 kilometers to meters. We are going to make use of the fact that 1 kilometer is simply equal to 1000 meters. Next, we are going to multiply both sides of this equation by 4.5. This will give us 4.5 times 1 kilometer is equal to 4.5 times 1000 meters. Performing this multiplication, 4.5 times 1 kilometers gives us 4.5 kilometers to be equal to 4.5 times 1000 meters gives us 4500 meters. Therefore, 4.5 kilometers in meters is simply equal to 4500 meters. We underline the solution. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.